How to fix the server certificate did not match any of the expected values. 0x8a15005e. 1. Shut down the affected command and restart your computer. 2. Run Windows Terminal, Command Prompt, or PowerShell with administrative privileges. 3. Execute the bypass certificate pinning command line on Wingit. Command, Wingit settings enabled. Bypass certificate pinning for Microsoft Store. 4. Repair corrupted system. Files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5. Check for system updates.